Good afternoon, Philippines. Happy weekend to all. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest analysis for this Saturday to Monday, July 1 to 3, 2023. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Avenue Plaza Hotel, the City Government of Naga, headed by Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion, and Honorable Congressman Gabi Bordado of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur. So let's begin with our update. Here's the GovSat for today's Saturday until Monday, July 3. This is a 2-day analysis since every Sunday we are on a break. We have a shallow low pressure area known as 94W. It developed during the past 24 to 48 hours. And currently it's rapidly dissipating, and for the next 24 hours it will be gone. Okay, this is moving towards the northwest, and it's not affecting any areas of the Philippine Islands. Elsewhere here across the West Philippine Sea and the areas of the Kalayaan Island Group, the Panatag Shoal, we have the weak Habagat, or the southwesterly wind flow, which has retreated since yesterday towards the west. So the western sections of Luzon and Mimaropa is no longer affected by this southwesterlies. And localized thunderstorms will still continue in the afternoon or evening across various sections of the country, from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, including the areas of Mimaropa. Okay, and so far outside of PAR, we don't have any developing low pressure system or tropical cyclone. And based on the latest computer models, for the next 5 to 7 days, it's all clear across the Western Pacific, particularly over the Philippine Sea. Just watch out for localized thunderstorms with lightning and possible flooding in low-lying areas when we have the severe thunderstorms occurring at your respective areas. So we have here a near equatorial trough, nothing to worry about. This is not expected to form a low pressure system as of now. And as we take a look at the fast animation, there you go. This is the shallow LBA. It's continuing to dissipate as it drifts towards the north, and the southwesterly wind flow over the central portions of the South China Sea, already outside of PAR, but still affecting the Kalayaan Island Group and the Panatag Shoal. And thunderstorms can be seen here blossoming as the late afternoon approaches. So this is the zoom-in satellite animation from windy.com, courtesy of UMETSAT satellite servers. Then this cloudiness generated by local thunderstorms across Ilocos region, Central Luzon, including Metro Manila, and also some portions of the Bicol region, Visayas, and Mindanao. And you can clearly see here with our infrared satellite animation, as the afternoon pushed through, these thunderstorms are rapidly developing, but it will only last for about 30 minutes to a maximum of 120 minutes or 2 hours. So take all necessary precautions against possible hazards of these thunderstorms, like lightning strikes, flash floods, as well as landslides, small tornadoes or gusnadoes, water spouts, and small hailstones occurring in your respective areas whenever there's a severe or powerful thunderstorm. Now here's the wind and pressure forecast from the European model. By tomorrow afternoon, Sunday, we could see the return of the easterlies across Mindanao and southeasterly winds across eastern Visayas and eastern Bicol region, and all the way across the eastern sections of Cagayan province, and southerly winds over Batanes, while southwesterly winds across the South China Sea, the West Philippine Sea, and it will also affect areas like Kalayaan Island Group and Panatag Shoal. The rest of the Philippine Islands will remain calm to variable winds. On Monday afternoon, we expect same situation, except for the Bicol region and eastern Visayas and the eastern sections of Caraga, where light easterly winds will be expected, while southerly winds along the eastern coastal waters of Cagayan and Batanes, and southerly winds as well across Kalayaan and Panatag Shoal. And on Tuesday afternoon, we expect the same wind conditions across the Bicol region and eastern Visayas, and it's now penetrating across the whole of the Visayas and portions of Mimaropa, while southerly winds will be expected across southern Mindanao and the eastern coastal waters of eastern Mindanao. Over at the Batanes Group, we have light southwesterly winds expected, while the usual calm to variable winds across the whole of the archipelago. So that's the latest forecast when it comes to the wind and pressure from the European model. Now let's take a look at the latest rain forecast from windy.com for the next 3 days. And for tomorrow, Sunday afternoon, again, most parts of the country will be expecting isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening, as well as into Monday, becoming more frequent over Visayas and Mindanao because of the strengthening easterly wind flow. Meanwhile, some low to moderate chances of isolated thunderstorms will be expected over Bicol region and the rest of Luzon. And on Tuesday afternoon, the thunderstorm activity will just be expected across. More thunderstorms will prevail across Mindanao and portions of central and western Visayas, as well as Palawan. And low chances of isolated thunderstorms will be expected across Luzon. The chances of thunderstorms will decrease across various sections of Luzon, except for the Ilocos region and the western sections of central Luzon. And so far, that's the latest from the rain forecast. So far, so good. Our weekend is fair, with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening. So don't forget to bring your rain gear, umbrella when you go out of your homes. Okay, so we will return again next week to give you more updates on the weather. From Typhoon2000, this is Mike Padua saying stay safe always, be #WeatherWiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel.